will get certificates. And this is a conference. It is important to improve our students' motivation. Mm-hmm. Okay. Founder of our project, Mana Bakraze, will give us links of every activity for every activities and tasks, which will be on the WhatsApp. This conference will held in our classrooms. Most all biz konferensiya ჩატარდება საკლასო ოთახში, ხომ? Ah, okay. Conference will be held by virtually, and in this conference will participate Georgian and foreign students. Mhm. Founder is going to held two conference. One conference will be held for the evening day, and another second conference will be held at the end of this project. This will be summative conference of the project to summary our project. If Mrs. Dorota wants to ask something, let's say.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and when will the conference take place? The first conference?
First conference will be held for the evening day, which is celebrated on 9 May. 9 May.
9 May. Mm-hmm.
Yes, correct. Is 9 May and will be held the conference.
Mm-hmm. And how many students will be? How many students?
How many students? Around any student იქნება? Okay, quantity of the pupils may be 2 students from each school.
2 students from, and via Zoom?
Mm-hmm. One or two students from each school.
Mm-hmm. From each school, yes, I understand. Okay, and what will be the connection? Zoom? By Zoom?
ანუ ეს გაიმართება Zoom-ში? Mm-hmm. In the by the Zoom application, there is a limitation of the time. We can use only 40 minutes by the Zoom. Above the 40 minutes, we have to pay a fee. No, money. Okay, do you
Yes, yes,
understand
I
me?
understand.
And if the students have teams, we
Teams.
can have this conference in this platform, on this
Yes, we
platform.
have teams. Yeah, that's cool. We have.
Works or teams, yeah. Mhm. Okay. If every partner and every student will have Teams platform, uh, we can uh, we can have the conference in this platform without any problem.
Okay. Mhm. Mhm.
Okay. პირველი კვირის აქტივობას დადებთ ეთნიკის პლატფორმაზე თუ დღეს? დღეს გააცნო? Mhm. Okay. Mrs. Madana is going to tell us the activities of the first week by heart online. She is going to tell us about these activities, and she is also going uh, to share her plan by the WhatsApp. Mhm. Okay. She has a page of the activities, page of the activities which will be shared by the WhatsApp. WhatsApp შეგაგვიზიარებთ ხო ფურცელს აქტიურად? Okay. She will share a page of the activities, and we have to show our responsibility, which will be possible to do ourselves. Do you understand me? We have to make at least one activity because it is very important for the European libels introduction application. Yeah, he is going to share this page. We have to participate in the activities. Uh-huh. Dear partners, founder Mana Bakradze and co-founder Dorota will be responsible persons for the project and for the activities. We are responsible persons. Mhm. Mrs. Daughter will check activities of the project, and if she has a desire, she can add activities.
So could you repeat? What should I do with these activities?
Yes, you can add activities. Uh-huh. If you regard that any activity is extra, you can agree with this. You can speak with this founder, Amanda Bakrad. Mrs. Dorothy, do you understand me?
A little, because what is my task? What should I do with this activity?
You have to check activities of the projects.
How to check? They
If
will be written. Yes, they will be written.
If you, when you check these activities, if you think that any activity is extra and is not necessary, you can cut. You can tell Mrs. Manana and cut, delete it.
And when all activities be ready, it will be in this table.
No, it is already ready.
Yes, it is ready.
Yes. 그래서 가누리기어스 차음나 털리왁 미서리시 크레밤자도 다음에 뭐 빠스코라 웹자다리스. It is ready. It is already ready. Table of the activities.
All activities. Yes, I can see.
Mrs. Manana already shared a table of the activities. At the beginning of the project, we have to create a pretest for the children, and for this. For the pretest, have to do one teacher from us. One or two teacher can create the pretest for children. For each activity, one or two teacher is responsible for these activities. And we also have post test by the end of the project. Practice balance in the home post test. Okay. Last year and 2 or 3 years ago, when we worked on the twinning platform, there was a forum. Do you remember it? Forum
Yes,
about
there was.
forum.
Yes, there was.
And
Forum.
this forum was actively used
Yes.
by the teachers, and the authority of the platform was interested where the teachers use this forum. But nowadays, on the new platform, this forum does not work well,
Yes.
and if it will work well, we have to use this activity forum. We have to use. And for the forum, one or two teachers will be responsible.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Okay. If in our project, if anyone is an unexperienced person, which does not know work on the platform, Mana Bakraze is ready to help you and will teach you working on this platform.
Mm-hmm.
And Mrs. Dorota will help you to work well on this platform.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Mrs. Dorota will work for foreigner partners, and Mrs. Manana will work for Georgian partners.
Mm-hmm.
İyi, iyi, iyi.
Mhm. We have only 10 minutes to discuss this task, and if we will not have enough time, we have to come on this Zoom again. We have to return on the Zoom again, okay? There is teachers view waiting. I know it's portal there. It's called Bumulebi.
Bir space, bir space.
Mhm. Okay. Mrs. Mana asks you to join WhatsApp group where she can share every activity and every information about the project. And on the platform, there is links where you can join and see everything about the project. There is a link of the Facebook. There is a link on Facebook is Mulia Şimdi. Ah, there is a link of the WhatsApp. Mhm. She will share a link of the Teams on the WhatsApp group. Or the uh-huh. She will share code for Teams group. Mrs. Dota and Mrs. Mana will create pages on the platform and links for the first week activities she will share on the WhatsApp group. At first, we have to do parental permission. Mhm. There is template for the parental permission on the platform. Yeah, platform adrescom şablonu. Template of the parental permission you can see on the Etwing platform. What's that? Excuse me. Template of the parental permission is on the WhatsApp group. Uh-huh. She is going to share this template on the Facebook group. Mhm. Next, she is going to share link of the Padlet where we have to upload our photos of the parental permission. Mhm. She will share uh, she will she will share Padlet link for introduction for teachers introduction. Teachers and students introduction. Uh-huh. Um, okay, we have to one way we have to make our teacher's introduction, and on the other Padlet we have to upload students' introduction. Mhm. Okay, she will share curriculum of the project, and we have to match it on our subject, which we teach at school. Do you understand?
Yes.
We have to match curriculum for the subject for on our subject. As for other activities, she is going to share every Padlet link on the WhatsApp group. You can see every link on the WhatsApp. You can start. For the second week, we have to give our students tasks for creating logos of the project. Students have to create logo of the project. Then we have to make a survey among students among their logos, and we have to make winner logo of our school. We have to create one winner logo. Each school have to make one winner logo. These logos will be uploaded on the Padlet link, and at the end of the survey, commission of the project will show us the winner logo of the project. One logo will be a winner logo of the project.
Hello. Can you send a WhatsApp link from here? Because I have still problem with my account.
أيوه صدري خطي
გამარჯობათ, მოგესალმებით. ძალიან დიდი ბოდიში დაგვიანებისთვის. მოკლედ ძალიან გამაწვალა, მაგრამ როგორც იქნება შემოვედი, მაპატიეთ რა ბოდიში. ძალიან მიხარია თქვენთან ერთად წარმატებები.
ქალბატონო მანანა, პროექტის ხელმძღვანელი თქვენ ბრძანდებით როგორც ჩანს. ვიცი, მე არ ვიცი სამწუხაროდ.
დიახ, მადლობა. დიდი მადლობა, კარგი.
იქნება, მაგრამ ხომ იხდებოდა რომ შემოსასვლელია თქვენ ხო თქვით რომ და ო ვერ მოვასწარე შემოდი თუ ეს არაც ხომ გააკეთა გალერეა, მე გამოკითხვა გავაკეთე როგორც მახსოვს, ხო, გამოკითხვა. კი. ეგ პოლონელია როგორც ჩანს, ხო? რა? რა ხო? well, ეთი აბა ვეცდები მესენჯერში მივწერო თუა შემოსული. მესენჯერში მისწერეთ? აჰა.
Mhm. Okay. Dear foreigners, if you don't know how to add your students on the portal, you can see video instruction about this on the YouTube. And if you don't know, these videos are on the English language. And if you don't know English well, Mrs. Manana will teach you, will help you to add your students on the platform. And as for local competition, we can prepare for the local competition by this week. But on the second, by the end of the second week, we have to have winner logo of our school. Because then will be survey for the winner logo. Mhm. At first, for the first week, we can add our students on the platform, and on the second week, we have to work for logos, only for logos. We have to do this work by the end of the second week, by the end of the I don't know, second weekend, because on the weekend will be final survey for the for the project logo to show winner logo of the project. Survey of the winner logo. Mhm. She is thankful for the first meeting. She tells us thanks for the meeting. It is our first meeting, online meeting, and she desires next meeting to be successful, interesting, friendly, and so on. She is satisfied by this meeting. Mhm. During our project period, we will have several meeting, and about this meeting, she will tell us. She will tell us about by the WhatsApp. She will share the information on the WhatsApp group. If you have to be attentively. You have to pay your attention for the information which will be shared on the WhatsApp group. If you have desire and if you want to tell a few words about the project, you can say მე შევთავაზე თუ აქვთ სურვილი რომ ორიოდე სიტყვა თქვან ჩვენი შეხვედრით. Okay. If you want, you can tell us about your ideas about the project.
Can I ask something?
Okay, I listen to you.
Okay, thank you. So as I understand, we will have two general conference with one or two students from each school, right?
Yes, you are right.
Okay, I noted
One
down.
for the opening day, and the second will be for the summer.
At the end of the year. Yeah, so we have new activity for each 2 weeks. And are we going to do this activity together with the students or just us? Just are we going to do them in our school or are we going to do in Zoom or Teams platform?
Do you mean that activity table which Mana Bakrazishia does? Do you say about this table of the activities? Dennis, do you mean a table of the activities? On the table of the activities, we have to participate. Teachers have to participate in this activity. This activity we have to do teachers, and this activity, we have to prepare teaching resource. You have to write down your name and surname for which activities you will be responsible. For which activity you will be responsible. You have to write down your name and surname. You have to write down. You have also have to write down school where you work now. Mhm. If you will have any note, you can write there, and you have to also write how you are going to do this task, this activity.
Thank you.
Can I ask you a question?
Thank you, Dennis, very much. If you have a question, you can ask me.
Can I ask you something?
You can write your surname and surname on the activity table by this time. Now you can write down your name and surname for the activity. Okay. When you have to do student introduction on the Padlet link, they have to use the avatars, not their photos. They don't use their own photos. They have to use avatars. On the link will be shared how to create avatars. And when you introduce your students and yourself, you have to write name of your school, your name, surname, and name of the organization or your schools, okay, where you work now. Do you understand? If you have a question, you can ask me.
Yes, can I have something? Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
How many students can we add this project?
How many
რამდენი
students?
სტუდენტი ხები? მე თუ გეკავთ ქალბატონო მარინა 40 ბევრია. კი, იცით რა იყო, რიმასთან ერთად ვიყავი ჯგუფში და იქაც ბევრი მასწავლებლები ვიყავით და რიმა ჩემი საუკეთესო მეგობარია, უზომოდ მიყვარს და ახლო მეგობრობა გვაქვს და ბევრმა მასწავლებელმა აქტივობა არ გააკეთა ბოლოს კესურვილი გამოთქვეს და მე აქტივები აღარ შეასრულეს და პროექტი რო არ ჩავარდნილიყო და მიგვეღო ხარისხის ნიშნები, რიმამ თავდაუზოგავად იმუშავა თავისი საქმე და იმათი საქმე რიმამ გააკეთა. Okay, there is a limitation for the teacher's participation. She can involve 40 teachers in the project. About the project, for the students, there is no limitation. There is not a limit for the students. You can add students how many you want. If you will be able to work with many students, you can add many students. If you have another question, please, I listen to you.
So we can add as many as students, but only 2 of them will be in the conference with the other students. Did I get it right?
On the project, you can add as many as how many students you want, but on the conference will participate 2 students.
Okay.
Which will be responsible and hardworking students. რამდენიმე თქვა რომ რამდენიმე მოსწავლეები და იმდენი დავაბოთ პროექტში, მაგრამ კონფერენციაზე 2 მოსწავლე მიიღებს მონეტა. Okay. For the conference, we have to choose 2 students, and we can in the project we can involve as many students as we want. But for the conference, we can we can make inner competition between students. We can hold conference among students in our school, in our class, and winner students will participate on the project conference. If you do have questions,
Do we have to add our task to teacher bulletin? Do we have to add all tasks, all the tasks, to teacher bulletins on this platform?
what do you mean?
Do we have to add our task logos and something that we did and we have to add to this platform to write there? Do we have to write there all the things?
Do you want tutorial video how to create logo?
Yes, for example, yes. Do we have to add this platform?
logo introductory instrucțiile setioda logo şeklinde logo şeklinde instrucția intereseps. You can create a logo. You can digitally. You can use web tools such as I used to use a Canva platform. This is site Canva. There I can use logos, different kind of logos, and you can and your students can paint something on the paper, and this maybe was a logo. They can paint logos on the paper, and they can use digital resources. Then you have to take photos and you have to upload on the Padlet link. There is any question? Do you have any question? Thank you very much for our interesting meeting. Thank you very much that you trust us and you added in our project. I wish you successful teaching year. Give the website so that I'm not able to download out.
Thank you.
Good luck, everyone. Goodbye.
See you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Me too. I'm happy. Nice to meet you.
Kaç kişi kaldı? Sadece biz kaldık.
Bir arada
ბატონო, საუკეთესოდ ვიმუშაოთ უნდა.
მადლობა, დიდი მადლობა. აღარც მოგცილდებით ასე მგონია. აღარც მოგცილდებით.
წარმატებები.
კარგად წაგიგუდეთ წარმატებები.
წარმატებები.
Კარგი.
ბედნიერი მშვიდობიანი ღამე, წარმატებები.
ბედნიერად